Federation of Civil Society Organization Fox Manipur has denounced the ambush by armed miscreants to a convoy of Imphal-bound freight trucks in between Tolinkul and Kaimai in Tamenglong district along National Highway 37 Imphal-Jiribam Road, resulting in the injury of two drivers. In a press statement, it said the central government must take responsibility of the incident. It mentioned that no judicial action has been started in response to the threats made against travelers on national highways. Such attack is equal as violating the right to life. It also urged the central government to take decisive measures to prevent such attacks in the future. Meanwhile, panicked by the news of the ambush on petroleum tankers at Tolen village along the National Highway 37 Imphal-Jiribam Road, people were seen flocking to petrol pumps in the valley. According to an independent survey conducted by SKTV, several petrol stations have run out of stock since people started panic buying after the video of the attack went viral on social media. Long queues of people carrying jerry cans were seen at many petrol pumps. Meanwhile, according to sources, a meeting between driver unions of Manipur and the Chief Minister is underway in connection with the ambush.
Security army government army Manipur police line and the